He's just gonna send it.
Goo! I don't know if he's gonna make it. Bo went for it. Give him the glory right there. Now, we were building this tabletop and we wanted to put her on the map. So we built her nice and big, and that way you boys with them balls of steel, like me, could just launch into the sky. So hopefully everything works out here as far as building this big tabletop. We were having some fun just moving dirt. Now there's some other ways you could do it, but I just like getting in a dozer and moving dirt. It is a good time. Alright, decision time. Do we go as big as Mac wants us to go? Or do we keep her a little bit mild so that all the kids can hit it?
All right, Dallin went to go get him like 5 probably triple cheeseburgers. He left the keys in the razor. We're gonna see what this thing's made of. Who needs help?
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
All right, we got Bo here, the man, the myth, the legend. The first one to put the old cojones on and hit the tabletop without any testing. Just went for it. Bo, what were you thinking midair?
Well, when I was thinking midair, it felt like probably 10 or 15 seconds in the air, but you know, it was pretty good until about right there, and then it was just nothing but ground. And at that point, you know, you just grip and hold on and make sure you can just ride it through. So it took about 2 seconds after I landed to be like, holy crap, I actually like landed that. And you know, just thinking about the glory, that's all I wanted was my name on that jump. So
we named her Bo's Jump on the tabletop.
So
We'll have to give Bo mad props for what he did there. He tested it out for us, let us know we needed to fix her up a little bit. Now, was there any poop in your pants afterwards?
you know,
Maybe a little?
I won't discuss that.
Okay.
We won't disclose
we
that.
won't.
But,
okay.
you know,
Alrighty.
there was definitely some changing going on once I got home.
Okay.
So
All right. Well, thanks, Bo. Thanks
problem.
for doing all the work for us.
As you can see, boys, we built this jump with what I'm used to doing, which is dirt biking, not these roll cages. And so with them dirt bikes, you can adjust your machine in the air a little bit easier, and you can have it hook you. But with the little side-by-sides, some of them don't have a good enough suspension to where you can just have that lip where it just launches you. So as you can see here, we are just notching off the lip, and then that way it'll just be a nice slow roller, but it'll be a nice little tabletop. So if you're going 10, you'll be okay. If you're going 20, you'll be okay. Or if you're going fast like me, you'll be just fine and land on the back. Alright, boys, thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Thanks for watching the whole video. If you will just click that like button, subscribe, and watch the whole video, and let your friends know. And then we will send you some good racing footage. Next few videos, we got some carnage happening. Some razors and canned hams are not going to make it all the way through the track on their own on all four wheels. I'll tell you that much right now.